Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today I want to talk about what is happening in the US tech sector. All of us know that the US tech sector is taking a big beating. The Nasdaq is already in the bear market. Tesla is nearly 50% down from the peak. So what are tech companies doing at this point of time when the Fed is threatening to keeping on increasing interest rates? As Fed increases interest rates, there is lot of pressure on all these companies. What is going to happen is something very interesting. Lot of large tech companies which are profitable and which have kept on growing at this point of time are deciding to consolidate. We all know that even before the Fed decided to tighten, the Microsoft announced the purchase of Activation Blizzard, and that Warren Buffett has jumped into the fray and is buying scores of Activation Blizzard stocks so that he can do a workout. He is already controlling 9.5 to 10% of the stock and is continuing to buy. He is betting that the deal would go through. Now, there are other deals in which companies are being taken private. But here I am going to talk of two of America's largest companies. One, a chip manufacturer, and the other, one of the largest companies which does cloud computing for large corporations, both their public data and their private data. They also own some of the largest data centers in America. I'm talking about VMware and Broadcom. There is a talk now that Broadcom is going to acquire VMware and become from a chip to a cloud computing company. This will mean that this will be one of the largest conglomerates in technology. Broadcom is owned by a Malaysian American entrepreneur. He has been continuing to grow by acquiring companies left, right, and center. In fact, he attempted bold acquisition of Qualcomm, citing national security reasons. Donald Trump thwarted him from taking over that company, but nothing seems to be stopping him. He's made a $50 billion bid for VMware. VMware is today a company which was acquired along with EMC Corporation by Dell Technologies. The partner in that crime was Silver Lakes, one of the private equity firms, as a part when Dell acquired EMC. When Dell Technologies relisted again, Michael Dell, the promoter of Dell Technologies, decided to manage this company independent of Dell. So when Dell Technologies listed this company by selling the shares and taking $12 billion in dividend, this company floated as an independent company altogether. The largest shareholder of VMware is Michael Dell, who controls this company. He controls nearly 30% of this company. Not many people know that VMware's largest shareholder is Michael Dell. The shareholding of VMware of Michael Dell is about 30%, one third of VMware. VMware is today trading at $95.10. This is down 20% from the beginning of the year and down nearly 50% from its peak valuation in 2019. VMware is one of the most attractive companies up for grabs in the US. Broadcom, if he successfully acquires this company, will become one of the largest tech companies, as I told before, ranging from chips to cloud computing software, and this would mean a perfect fit. Nobody is talking about the deals. The deals just broke yesterday. We do not know the terms, but I'm sure that Dell would rather prefer to take a stake in the combined entity and become one of the largest shareholders of this company, which is a combination of Broadcom and VMware, rather than be take cash. The deal's valuations have to be worked out and agreed upon between two individuals, both of whom are very charismatic and very successful. This combination will fortify this group from further attack by shareholders and investors as the Nasdaq continues to decline. This will create a behemoth and allow Michael Dell to strengthen his position even in chip manufacturing. Already, Dell is one of the largest software providers using EMC and also has a strong presence in hardware. This will give him a possibility, a toehold in the chip manufacturing facilities also. Whether this deal will go through, only time will tell. But this will not be an all cash deal, but rather a deal in which the shares will be merged, and therefore one has to wait and see what is going to be the shares swap agreement and how many shares of new Broadcom will be issued to acquire VMware. This clearly shows that the technology industry is opting for consolidation as easy funding dries out and makes life very difficult for the tech entrepreneurs. This shows that the pressure on the technology stocks in America will continue as investors will flee technology and move into defensive and safer stocks. As the stock prices continue to correct, the prices of both Dell owned VMware and Broadcom have corrected in recent times in line with what the market has been falling. As the yields surge, more pressure is expected on Nasdaq, destroying the value of technology companies even further. Most of the large tech companies have lost more than 50% of their value. Let us then wait and see what the carnage in technology does to these companies. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this video, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. If you like the content, kindly consider sharing among your friends and relatives. I once again thank you for watching. Be rich. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.